everyone! Today we're going to look at Barbie's Fitness Doll. She has red orange hair, a pink and white black sleeveless top. She comes with pink, white, and blue and black yoga pants, a white watch. The top and bottom are two separate pieces. The top velcros in the back and the bottom has an elastic waistband. She comes with white tennis shoes. She has movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, and the wrist, the hip, and the knee. She comes with a pink bag with the letter B on it, and it can open to hold all her stuff. A brown puppy, two purple weights for the puppy, a silver hula hoop, a blue water bottle, a protein bar, two pink weights, a blue foam yoga mat that comes with a black clip to hold the yoga mat together. Some of my favorite things about this doll is that she can bend, her pink bag that can open and hold stuff, and her puppy with the little tiny weights.